How to use Substack for newsletter. Substack tutorial for beginners. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. For today's video, we'll be diving into how to use Substack for creating and managing newsletter. Substack is a popular platform that empowers writers, journalists, and content creators to easily publish and monetize their newsletter. Whether you're a seasoned writer looking to monetize your content or a beginner interested in starting your own newsletter, Substack provides a user-friendly interface and powerful features to help you succeed. With Substack, you can focus on creating engaging content while the platform takes care of the technical aspects such as email delivery and payment processing. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of getting started with Substack. We'll cover everything from setting up your account, designing your newsletter template, building your subscriber base, and exploring the monetization option available for you. You'll learn how to customize your newsletter, including adding logos, headers, and formatting your content. So, let's get started. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do is go to substack.com. Right now, I'm currently on the homepage of Substack. And if you would like to know more information about this specific software or specific website, you can simply go to substack.com and simply look through the different section of their homepage, and you will be able to see how or more information about Substack, as you can see here. Now for us, we're going to create our account and let's get right into it. So we're going to click on create your Substack. Now the first thing we have to do is create our account. We're going to enter our email. After that, we're going to wait for it. Now we're going to have to enter our name. We're going to enter our random name. We could have a bio if you'd like. Right now, we're going to click on continue. Then we have our publication URL. This is a subdomain. We're going to click on continue. And now over here, we could upload a list of our email contacts. If we have, we could upload them from Patreon, Ghost, MailChimp, TinyLetter, and more. Simply upload them over here. For now, we're going to skip. Now over here, we could have subscribers. If you know any subscribers, you could add your friends and families. Over here, you can type in their email over here one by one. For us, we don't have any yet, so we're going to click on skip for now. In this section, you're going to have to enter your interest. Depending on what you enter over here, what you see on the Substack dashboard or homepage later on would be different also. So for us, we're going to go with sports, technology, and maybe finance, and then click on continue. Now over here, we could add some interests. I like writers in our list. Over here, you can enable or choose from all of this option and subscribe to them. But for now, we're going to click on skip for now and click on let's do this. And now we are now in the dashboard of Substack. As you can see here on their dashboard, the first thing we can see is the different things you need to do to fully set up your account. As you can see here, the first thing we did was create a Substack and set up the basic. Then we're going to have to turn on paid, import email, share Substack, introduce yourself on notes, and write your first post over here. You'll also see an overview of your interactions with different users, like how many have subscribed, how many views you gathered from the past 30 days, how many have opened your email over here. You can also see your recent posts and resources in this section over here. You could visit your site by clicking this button over here. By clicking this, as you can see, we will be redirected to our page. Right now, we don't have anything, but we have a coming soon. So we're going to start creating a post. But before we start creating a post, we're going to give you a quick tour. Right now, this is the dashboard. This is the post section where we will be creating a post later on. Our podcast section, subscriber stats, and recommendations over here. So how do you start a post of a newsletter in Substack? Over here, this is where we're going to create our new post. We're simply going to click on new post over here. You could also add a new note, a new thread, a new episode, and a new video over here. For now, we're going to go with a new post, and over here, you will be able to create and edit your post in this section. You could add a title over here, testing, just like that, and add a subtitle, whatever subtitle you would like to add. You could add your header and footer over here. You could change the different paragraph styles in this section on the top. You could add buttons over here just like this. You could have anything you would like. share this post, just like that, stuff like that. You can add whatever you would like depending on what content you would like to have. You can also add a subdivider, footnote, poetry block, and all of this option over here. To that, we're going to click on continue, and you will be able to choose who this is for. You could choose from everyone. You could choose from paid subscribers only. You could choose to allow comments from everyone or no one. You could add tags. You could add social preview, like add a thumbnail over here, add delivery over here. Right now, it is currently sent via email and Substack ad. You could click on send to everyone, and it will begin to send the newsletter or the email that you have created to everyone that is selected or within your customer list or your contact list. You can see here our post has been published. We could refresh this. Let's see. And as you can see here, the testing whatever is now available on this section over here. You could add your content. You can see your contents over here depending on what you have posted. You could also have comments and like this section over here. Depending on how or what you would like to add, see, you can easily add them in this section. So we're going to go back to our dashboard this time. You could also add or create a new post in this section, not just only the post section. You could add them in this section as well. Now we're going to try that once again, but this time with more details. So we're going to click on new post, and we're going to use ChatGPT this time. ChatGPT, just like that. We're going to do this. We're going to enter our title. For example, our title will be about space, just like that. So we're going to ask ChatGPT, create a newsletter title about space, just like that. So we're going to wait for ChatGPT to produce us a title, just like that. We're going to copy this. We're going to paste it over here, just like that. And then we're going to create a content, create a 500-word content about that title. Like that, we're going to click on enter. We're going to wait for ChatGPT to send us a content that we will be using over here. We could also add a subtitle over here, maybe space discoveries, just like that for our subtitle. You could add information, you could add photos, you could add files, music, audio, video, even quotations over here. You could insert quotes. You could add buttons, for example. We could go and add like leave a comment over here, just like that. You could add more in this section, like a divider, just like that. And so what we're going to do is we're going to drag this over here. You could drag the different elements around so that you would know where you are going to be placing your information. So we're going to drag this over here. So we're going to copy whatever this ChatGPT has provided us, just like this. We're going to copy this and paste it over here, just like that. And now we have a very big content for our newsletter, and we have our comment over here also. So we're going to drag this to the bottom if we can. We're going to do it slowly, just like that, because we can't scroll down while dragging our box, just like that. And now we have our box at the very bottom over here. Now after creating your content, once again click on continue, and you could edit the settings that you would like over here, add some tags or like whatever tags you would like. So for our tags, we could have space or anything you would like to have, and you could click on start typing, and you could upload a new logo over here like what I said earlier, and says to everyone. So we're going to wait and see what we can see. So right now we have no subscribe button or no buttons asking readers to subscribe, but we could upload or we could add that depending on us. For now, we're not going to add any, so we're just going to proceed. And as you can see, our post has been published. We can check it out in this section. Go back to our homepage, and as you can see here, we have our stellar discoveries exploring the vast frontiers of space. We can click this, and as you can see, we have our title over here. We even have hearts, comments, and share buttons over here. And like we have our, going back, we have our entire data or entire message in this section. You can also click on leave a comment, and we will be automatically redirected to the comment section of our post. And that's it, guys. That's how you will be able to use Substack to easily upload or easily create and manage your newsletter. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.